Almost every car on the Nigerian road right now have these stickers on their doors.
Why? 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 Why?
Trends. They come and go. Trends are fun subject, and while they're ongoing, a lot of people just want to take part of it. And right here in Nigeria, we love trends. It's some means we've adopted to keep ourselves distracted and happy. Automotive trends in Nigeria have come a very long way, from having silly on sounds in the 70s and 80s to the reflective safety sticker trends in the 2000s to the more annoying ones we have today. But Nigerians have a way of making these trends really annoying, tiring, and purposeless. And today, we'll be talking about the worst and annoying car trends in Nigeria right now. I'm Oluwatobi Jethro, and without further ado, let's dive straight into the video. 1. Stickers on car doors. If you know the main purpose of these stickers, what they stand for, and what they do, let us know in the comment section below. At first, I thought it was some form of protective film, but is it? Because even cars with really bad paint jobs have it on them. Almost every car on the Nigerian road right now have these stickers on their doors. So, to the next one, slamming upgrade kits on older cars. Upgrading a car is really cool and can massively improve the look of your car. But what's this? Nigerians will slam aftermarket upgrade kits on any car, whether it fits or not, is not a concern, and this is becoming pretty annoying. Like this guy, what exactly is he trying to achieve? But sadly, it's a sight we have to keep up with till it goes away again. And next, emergency strobe lights in car grills. I believe emergency strobe lights are supposed to be meant for emergency purpose vehicles like ambulances, patrol vans, escort cars, and the VIPs. But what exactly it is doing on your car grill is what I don't get. Sighting a car with flashing red and blue lights on your rear view mirror in Nigeria is not an unusual sight, but seriously, I think we need to stop. And next, covering clear lights with green and blue stickers. Personally, I lose interest in the car the moment I see one of these on them. Like, what for? This is majorly common amidst commercial purpose vehicles at first, but it made its way to a lot of private van vehicles as well. And now a common trend. Yes, I know most people use these stickers to cover up damaged and broken lights, but to a lot of the others, it's just style, and that should seriously stop too. And finally, replacing halogens with eye-blinding LEDs. This is like the most annoying of all the trends because it's quite dangerous to other road users as well, especially those that drive at night. Eye-blinding LEDs have become norms for Nigerians because it's brighter, but at the expense of other road user safety. But as long as it makes the car look cool, we don't care. But this trend seriously needs to stop too. So guys, what other car trend in Nigeria do you know that's not listed here? Let us know in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay awesome. See you in the next video. Ciao guys.